Well, I guess we're lost, guys. Hey, you see that house down the hill? Yeah, I do. What's the matter with it? Yeah, we should probably take shelter there, maybe. If we're lost, maybe if there's someone there, we could ask for directions to where we're going, bro. Alright, well, we're here now, so we might as well go in here. This place looks really old. You really think someone lives here? Well, let's go in. Alright, guys, you coming in or not? Because I'm scared, honestly. Alright. Yeah, hey, dude, I'm gonna stay out here, smell the nature, check out the nature, dude. Alright. See you later, I guess. This nature looks awesome, dude. Looks like an apocalypse, though. I don't like it. That's real stupid. Why do I hear a power drill in the background? That's super weird, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Super weird, creepy. Ugh. Why is there nobody here? This place looks super empty. There's lots of graffiti, so I don't know why we're here. Where did Matt go? Jesus Christ! Everybody's leaving, aren't they? But what do they even have any cars? So I don't understand. Well, let's just forget about them, honestly. Yeah, babe, we should just forget about them. This is just stupid. Well, what are we gonna do without them? We'll stay safe. At the Power Drill Massacre later. What are you gonna do with me, huh? Say it to me. Ah! Oh, I think we have to do something for 1 second. 1 second. But it takes 5 hours. 5 hours. They have been in this place for 2 seconds. I'm too mad about it. I told you. Why do they don't even have cars. We drove here in a van. For God's sake. Babe, calm down. I'm trying to. But if they don't get back, I'm gonna be real mad. Real mad. Oh, this is stupid. So stupid. This is my chance to run. I need to run now. What are you gonna do about it? Kill me. I'll let you just kill it. Yeah, kill it. I think I lost him. This stuff is crazy. My arm! I need to run fast. Why is he chasing me? What does he want? Where did I fall? No! Where am I? Oh, what is this place? Hey, get me out of here. Please, get me out. What do you want from me? I'll give you money, please. Please. I'm free. Help me.